How to fix Microsoft Teams application not showing notifications. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So from here, what you need to do first is that you need to double check your settings for notifications. So just click the three dots right here and then click on settings. From there, go ahead and choose notifications and activity. And then from here, double check your notification settings if everything is turned on and according to your preferences. So you can also choose test notification right here to see how a notification should look. So this is a test notification and then you have it right here. Then you can also change the position of the notification if you want. So after everything is set up in your notification settings, but you are still not receiving it, what we can do is few things. So the first thing that we can do is that we can delete the cache for Microsoft Teams. So to do that, just go to search, go to run, and then put in this command right here, %app data %, /Microsoft /Teams. So this is a location in your folders that has the Teams, Microsoft Teams cache. So from here, just delete everything that is here, and then your cache should now be free. So in my case, I already deleted it, so that's why I just have backgrounds right here. Then you can go ahead and close Microsoft Teams by going to the tray and then right click on Microsoft Teams and then click Quit Teams. Now you can go back and open Microsoft Teams again. And then you can go ahead and check if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, what we can do is that we can also check the time settings. So from here, I'm just going to go to my main Microsoft Teams account. From here, click the three dots, click settings. And then from here, let's find the time zone, which is right here in general. So make sure the language and regional formats follow the OS settings. And then for the time zone, it uses the time zone that you're currently using, because sometimes you may have a different time zone that is set up in Microsoft Teams, and then you have a different time zone in your desktop. So make sure you have the same time zone. So you can just also click Manage Windows Settings right here, and then you can go ahead and see if the time zone is set up correctly. Then what you can also do is that you can repair Microsoft Teams. So from here, let's go to installed applications. So I'm just going to type installed apps right here in the search bar. Now it will show your applications that are installed, and then just type in Teams. From here, you should see Microsoft Teams. Click the three dots, click Advanced Options. From here, we need to close Microsoft Teams first. So you can just close it manually, or you can just use the Terminate button right here. So the Terminate button terminates or ends all instances of Microsoft Teams application that is open. From here, you can click Repair to see if the app is not working right. You can use the repair feature right here. So the app data will not be affected. So now that the repair is finished, go ahead and open Microsoft Teams and then see if you now have notifications. But if not, you can use the reset function right here, or the reset button. So what will happen is that the application's data will be deleted, and then the Microsoft Teams application will be resetted to its default state. So don't worry about your data. So what will happen basically is that you will just be logged out of your account, and then you just need to log in again so that you can use your Microsoft Teams account, and then only use this if it's still not working. Then that is it. So go ahead and try it out, and then I hope your notifications is now fixed. Again, this is how we can fix the Microsoft Teams application not showing notifications. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.